It's your boy, Dr. Les here. We're live here, Limpopo TV online. I have Amu. He's a Pirates fan. I'm telling him that Kaizer Chiefs is going to trap Orlando Pirates 3-1, and then he's saying no. Amu, what do you think?
I think Pirates is going to win 1-0 with a goal from Capatino Mango.
Cappuccino Mango. So you think that Mango is going to do his best to beat Chiefs? But we have Nukovic. He's going to score.
No.
He's been scoring.
We have Happy Gel at the back.
You have Epicella. Did you see the lineup? Yes, the lineup. You have Wenceslao, you have Maela, Jele, Nyauza, Pule, Mutuari, Makaringe, Dube, Mango, Mamela, and Lodge. Who do you think gonna score on this?
Mango.
Mango. So you think one not? I say Chiefs is going to win, eh?
No way.
Okay, so you have, this is Amu. It's a Orlando Pirates fan. Another Orlando Pirates fan. Come. We are here live at Chiawero, Triple C. I have some of Buccaneer fans that want to talk to us here. They want to tell us what do they think about the derby. What's the Vauno Mariote Hot? Come here. Mo going up from Brown Kushab. Koyo Shikapo. Then I think Buccaneer, but not going to make a Kimocha Buccaneer. Not one Kimocha Buccaneer. Yes, Orlando Pirates line up. So what do you say about the game? No, come on, speak louder. It's like, don't be scared, eh?
Yeah. I think Lodge is going to score.
And then the score, the final score? 2-0. So both of the goals will be scored by Lodge.
No, Lodge and Mango.
So Mango is one of the favorite players, eh? And another? Why do you say Mango? But anyway, to be honest with you, this guy has been marvelous to watch, eh? He can score balls, he have the pace, even his strength. I mean, the strength always counts in this coming to the derby game, yeah. We're live here, Triple C here. Yes, Neymar going to score. Oh! It's tough. Another Orlando Pirates fan?
Chiefs.
Okay, Chiefs, come. Yes, for the first time here, I'm having Amakosi. I'm a fan of Oktulan and Kolo. What do you think of the game? Those Pirates guys think that Pirates is going to win. Mango and Lodge, they're going to Muras. What do you think? What do you say?
I think Chiefs is going to win.
Who's going to score?
Nikovic and Castro.
Nikovic and Castro. So Chiefs is going to win by how many goals? 3-0. Wow! And then who's going to score? Nikovic, Castro, and who?
Only them.
Only them. So that means one will get 2. What's your name?
I'm from
Okay, Sean, we have Sean here. It's Amakosi, biggest fan here from Chiawero. So let's just hope for the best. It's derby day wherever you are. You just can't miss this, eh? But overall, now I go check out Chikimocha Chiefs, China Akpei. Though Akpei is not one of the favorite by the fans were thinking that maybe Kune will be back. What do you think about the goalkeeper? Akpei.
Akpei.
Who do you prefer between Akpei and Kune?
Akpei.
Akpei, okay. Overall, Akpei has been saving us. He did save some of the penalties, but it's not bad though. He did commit a silly mistake. It's one of the reliable goalkeepers that we have. And then we have Cardoso pairing with Mato at the back, which one of the best combo that we've been using, those centre back. And then we have Muleko and Frosla at our wing backs. We have Katsande and Maluleka. I was no other central midfielder. Hoping or Udobo when the Vaziko. Maluleka and then I could go past the Bora and Castro and Nukovic. Billiatin, okay, Billiatia Amo Junisi or Ramboro Benchio. So it's going to be an interesting game. Live in Chiawero, hoping for the best. So Kosi for life. Orama Bagania, come here.
Pirates!
It's Kosi and I'm a Bagabaga. I'm from Oktulan and Kolo, them Glamour Boys. I don't really have Bagania baby.
So, one is an image my play.
Okay.